In 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo surpassed the best Go players in the world and became invincible in playing Go, the notoriously complex board game. The next version for AlphaGo, AlphaZero, played 4.9 million games against itself in 3 days and beats its predecessor by 100 to 1.
AlphaGo Zero doesn't use any human data whatsoever. Instead, what it has to do is learn for itself, completely from self-play.
Moving out of the gaming space, AI robots are actively exploring the ocean. Meet SoFi, the most advanced robotic fish ever built. Scientists built SoFi to help monitor the health of marine habitats without disturbing the creatures living in the ocean. Up in the sky, do you see the flock of birds? They may not be real. In China, more than 30 military and government agencies have deployed the bird-like drones and related devices in recent years. The birds are equipped with high-definition camera, GPS antenna, flight control system, and data link with satellite communication capability. The list can go on and on and on. Self-driving cars are no longer novelties. Cars are now teaching themselves to drive. In a recent competition, AI beats Chinese doctors and brain diagnosis. There are many reasons that AI are flourishing and continue to push boundaries and eventually dominate in every field. We human beings are a goldmine of data. Every day we send and receive data with computers, mobile phones, wearable devices, monitors, and sensors, linked appliances in our homes, offices, and surroundings. The massive digitalization of just about everything makes it impossible for any human being to grasp. And it is also nearly impossible for conventional software programs to aggregate and derive insights. Yet, machine learning technologies are proven to be astonishingly adept at learning on its own, identifying relationships, recognizing patterns, using neural networks to output probabilities, and making accurate predictions. Like that, it is impossible to list the marvels AI is able to achieve, even in the past year. It is also impossible to detail the rapid advancement of machine learning technologies. The most notable AI advances are the various forms of neural networks. CNN, convolutional neural networks, for image classification and construction. RNN, recurrent neural networks, for natural language processing and voice generation.
Can I book a table for Tuesday the 12th?
Okay, cool.
And GANs, generative adversarial network, have been used to generate samples of realistic images of new industrial designs, shoes, bags, medical images. Deep learning also gravitates toward the big cloud players, Amazon and Microsoft, for example. AI hardware manufacturers are now at the forefront of AI race. All of the global players are investing heavily in AI. Google is the leader. Then there's Apple, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Baidu, Alibaba, Tencent, and many more. Besides the big players, there continues to be an explosion of AI startups and big fundings. In China, from 2015 to 2017, over 450 AI startups received funding, totaling $4.8 billion. AI is revolutionizing every industry, pharmacy, healthcare, government and defense, cybersecurity, agriculture, manufacturing, warehousing automation, finance, fashion, advertising, education. Now I would like to say goodbye. Until next time.